Chill out, bro.
Yeah.
Calm down. Cool out, mate.
Most definitely.
Double edge. Look, you can work for your money, murk for your money, do fraud for the money, sell draw for the money, man. You can shot a raw for the money, man. But as far as killing man over money, look, mate, handle the fact. If I rob from a brother, I can pay a brother back. If I sold man a draw and they turn to the crack, I can take her to the clinic, help and clean up their act. But if I get the knife or the gun and attack, start stabbing to the rhythm, pull the hammer back. Handle the fact. If you take away your life, you can't give a life back. Take away your soul, you can't give a soul back. You ain't strong, you ain't blessed, you ain't built like that. Anyway, the double edge, top, black scholar, brown bomb, my red letter, get the people better. All I really wanna do is sit down with my people and feet up in my yard, catch a flight, go abroad on the beach with a broad. And all I really wanna do is sit down with my people and make money, make dough, live comfortable and watch the seas grow. Yeah. Do the knowledge in, young man scholaring, search for the meaning of life. What's the origin? What's my purpose? Why was my soul clothed in skin? Life's a test. Was I born to win? Born to sin? Or born to be born again? And what's the truth about the aliens? I mean, it's a big old universe, but fuck that, I'm from planet Earth with bills to pay. And E.T. ain't helping to pray. Same film Independence Day. This is real sign on, get your gyro. Work like a slave for survival. No wonder the world's suicidal. No wonder most man that I know stressed out, freaked out, ready to murder, bro. Oh no, go slow, don't go directly to jail. You won't pass go. Just all I really wanna do is sit down with my people and feet up in my yard, catch a flight, go abroad on the beach with a broad. And all I really wanna do is sit down with my people and make money, make dough, live comfortable and watch the seas grow. Yeah, cold living, don't blame men, blame the system that make money the religion which you worshipping. We all hustling, but certain man them will eat off of your plate and take what you juggling. Tax free, still claim off the government. What goes round comes round, that's the punishment. Watch your back, your side and your front, mate, and don't front, mate. It's a jungle full of great apes, killers, mate, smelly old gorillas, mate. But the worst animal must be the pigs, mate. Power corrupts, corruption spreads, but I'm a deep thinker, so I don't blame the feds. They're just pawns in a bigger game of chess, controlled by a system designed to oppress. God bless everybody living stressed. Life ain't a bitch, it's a blood clot test. All I really wanna do is sit down with my people and feet up in my yard, catch a flight, go abroad on the beach with a broad. And all I really wanna do is sit down with my people and make money, make dough, live comfortable and watch the seas grow. Yeah, chill out, blood. Take it easy. Ebola, take it easy. OCB, take it easy. Chill out, verbal, you saying deadly. You saying chill out, blood. Hey J-Cat, love what you do on the boards, bruv, but you just gotta chill, you know? Yeah.